Hello, this is a L&R watch cleaning machine that I recently bought from eBay. Just before beginning, I will confess, I am using a text-to-speech AI technology to better improve the likeness of the video because I don't like how my voice sounds in video. Ha 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 ha. Starting off by demonstrating you guys how badly is the condition of this machine. So, the description of it on eBay showed that this machine is in working condition. But, after inspection, there is no way I should even try to see if it really is in working condition. These wires have seen better days. The insulation crumbles by touch. Luckily the eBay seller didn't burn down his or her property while testing if it worked or not. I start off by cutting and gutting out all of the electrical wiring and components. So follow along as I restore to the best of my knowledge, which I must say I am no professional. Just a recent fellow vintage watch collector and a rookie watchmaking hobbyist. To keep this video as short as I can, I will have to run 4 times the speed and will have to skip certain unneeded steps. I will get back with you as needed throughout the video. Enjoy! I found out the hard way that after your components are removed you must reinstall all the hardware back to its original component to prevent losing hardware that may be needed in the future. The heater's clip will take a different socket size. An 11/32 inch socket. Yeah, that's my son calling for Papi in the background. So I couldn't remove the components off of the lever, so I didn't see the need to do so. Real talk, I was just being lazy. I can't get it out. Time to turn to bigger tools. Busting out the hydraulic press. I managed prying out the circular retainer a bit with a flat head screwdriver, just enough for the hydraulic press to do its job. Needs new bearings. No funny noise, but not enough of free spin. This piece was being stubborn. There was a bunch of dirt debris in it. So I used WD-40 that I really don't recommend you to use on this because of electrical contacts and wires. I'd say it'd be safer to use a can of contact cleaner. Now after I have finished dismantling all the components, it is time to start stripping off the paint. Once it has been fully brushed with the paint stripper, I bagged it and left it for 24 hours. Wipe everything with mineral spirits. For a better finish, I used Bondo with a potty knife. This will fill in all the scratches and imperfections. When Bondo dries, follow with sanding all surface areas and try to smooth as much as desired. I used a 400 grit sandpaper. After sanding, re-clean surface areas one final pass with mineral spirits. Finally to painting. It is up to you what type of paint and color you would like to use. I used deep navy blue exterior spray paint because I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan. Yeah, America's football team. Haters are always going to hate. Ha ha. I sprayed 3 layers of paint with 5 minutes of dry time between each coat, followed by 2 coats of clear glossy coat. Please, don't make the same mistake as I did. Remove the spinning shaft thing, I don't know the real name, before painting and working on the shaft. This caused debris sticking into the paint while I was cleaning the shaft. Let's stop a bit, so that I can thank Watch As I Learn channel for his video that inspired me to do my restoration and video. Go to his channel, like and share his content. The original toggle switches looked in bad condition, so I decided to change both of them. I opted to upgrading one of the switches to a 3-position switch for the machine spin. Doing so, this will give me the preference of choosing what side should the motor spin, either clockwise or counterclockwise. 2-position toggle switch for the heater. Go to Watch As I Learn channel to get his self-made electrical diagram for this machine and the electrical component list that he provides for this restoration. I bought most of the electrical components and hardware from Amazon. Heat shrink tube sleeves. I apologize for not recording the wire soldering to the motor head. My bad. Notice there are 2 arms that go between the 2 top side slots. Make sure they fit snug into them. Sand using 600 grit. Verify that there is electrical current. Levels were a bit off, but decided to go ahead with it. In the future it might need a proper restoration by a professional, of course. Also verify there is no current between the top magnetic piece and the bottom brass piece. If current is found between them, that is definitely no good. Forgot to mention, I also sanded the magnetic part. To clean motor shaft I used contact cleaner. Sprayed about 3 times. Now, after installing the head back to its housing, I reconnected all the wires to its proper connections. And It's alive! I'm so glad that the motor head worked as planned. Now it's time to reinstall all the components. Nickel plating was too expensive in my area. That wasn't an option, so I sent the motor post column to get it powder coated with a chrome-like finish. Shout out and thanks to Martin's powder coating. Since the powder coating increased the outside diameter of the post column, now it couldn't fit either the base slot and the post head clamp. So then I had to sand the slots to a bigger diameter. Connect to matching colored wires. Gently pull the cord to let loose of any slack in the base.